Hello, Namaste. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I Shayandeep welcome you all. Today I will tell about a very interesting new age innovative idea compiled by Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiative ZIIEI. The name of this particular idea about which I will tell today is Improving Vocabulary under the case study Simplified Language Learning. This case study has been created by the innovative teachers of the state of Assam. Let's talk about this particular idea. Now we all know how important it is to improve the vocabulary of a student. But we also know that if we make a student learn or improve his vocabulary by the traditional method, which involves reading or preparing words from a book, it becomes very boring for the student. So keeping this thing in mind, this idea has been created. In this particular idea, the teacher first tells the students to search for new words on a daily basis, maybe from newspapers, magazines, storybooks, or from other resources. Then the teacher tells the student to find the meaning of these new words and to write it on a notebook or a piece of paper and bring it in the class. When the student brings the words in the class, the teacher asks the student to read the words in front of the class along with the meaning. Suppose a student finds a word and is unable to find out the meaning, the teacher helps that particular student to find out the meaning. Now this particular activity is being done by all the students present in the class. After this, the teacher once again discusses all the words that has been shared by the students, and at the same time she tells the student how to use these words on a daily basis in conversation or during writing. Now this idea can be implemented in another way. The teacher asks the student to maintain a notebook where she asks that every day the student needs to write 3 new words. Now the words will start from a very easy words and the difficulty level will go on daily. Now the teacher also asks the student to write the meaning of these words and if possible to write sentences corresponding to these words. Now when this continues day by day, a small self-made dictionary is created by the student. Now this activity increases the interest of the student to learn new words. At the same time, they are able to learn more and more words. I hope you like this idea and I surely hope you will implement it in your classroom. If you want to see more of such videos, please subscribe to our ZIIEI YouTube channel, and if you are watching this video on Facebook, please like our ZIIEI Facebook page. Thank you.